Have you seen one of these pop-ups on your iOS device? It's a new feature in 2020 and it's part of Apple's push for transparency in their privacy policies and settings. This prompt is pretty self-explanatory. Apps want the ability to share information with other apps in order to display more targeted ads, learn how you're using their apps, and also to collect personal information from you. This has been going on for a long time without your permission or knowledge, but Apple is getting better about letting you know what's going on. Now you have the option to allow apps to request to track you. So what you can do is go into your settings on your iPhone or iPad, scroll down to the privacy settings, and click on that. The second option there at the top says tracking. Click on that. This is where you can toggle this setting off and on. Notice the disclaimer that reads, apps that don't ask permission may still try to track you. Apple allows certain apps to still track you if your information does not leave the confines of your device, meaning your information is not shared with third parties. When you toggle the setting on, then apps can request to track you. So then you will get that pop-up we saw earlier where you'll have the option to allow tracking or ask the app not to track you. If you toggle the setting off, then apps will automatically be blocked from tracking you and they will not be able to request to track you. Any app that previously had permission to track you will then be blocked. For more information, I encourage you to click on the Learn More link that you'll see when you go into this screen on your phone or tablet. To be fair, I want you to know that this tracking feature is not 100% bad. There are app developers who use this information to determine how you use their apps and what features are used versus those that are not used, so that they can make their apps better for you. It's just that there's many other companies that choose to abuse this feature by sharing and selling your information for their own personal gain, and they disguise it as a benefit via targeted ads. It's our job as consumers to determine how much of our freedoms we want to trade for convenience and better products. In my opinion, I believe the trade-off is not worth it. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below and I'll respond as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to click the subscribe button down below.